Have you ever wondered how top TikTok sellers always seem to find those viral money-making products before everyone else? Well, today, I'm revealing my secret weapon, Kalodata, the ultimate tool I use to spot trending TikTok shop products in minutes. If you're serious about making sales on TikTok Shop or running a profitable dropshipping store, this video is for you. Because once you see how Kalodata works, you'll realize why it's a total game changer for product research. So here's the thing, TikTok is full of winning products, but the problem is, most people guess. They scroll endlessly, hoping to find something viral. But Kalodata gives you data-driven insights showing what's trending right now, who's selling it, what the profit margins are, and even how many creators are promoting that product. You can literally filter by country, category, and even see the top-performing TikTok ads connected to that product. It's like getting a behind-the-scenes look at what's already proven to sell instead of wasting money on testing random products. And before I dive deeper, here's a quick bonus for you if you want to try Kalodata yourself. I've got you covered. Click the link in the description to get 10% off your subscription and start finding winning TikTok products today. Now, back to the tool inside Kalodata. You'll see sections like top products, top ads, and top shops. These are gold mines. You can instantly spot trends, check engagement rates, and track what kind of content is converting. And the best part? You can see real-time analytics, meaning you're not just guessing what worked last month, you're acting on what's working right now. If you've been struggling to find viral products or want to scale your TikTok shop, Kalodata is honestly the shortcut you've been missing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.